A friend asked me about this, so I tested it and here's what worked. If you're looking to check your bill on the TIM Italy app, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the TIM Italy app. Launch the app on your smartphone. Make sure you are connected to the internet for the app to function properly. Step 2. Log into your account. Enter your credentials to log in. If you haven't registered yet, you will need to create an account first. Step 3. Navigate to the billing section. Once logged in, look for the bill or billing section in the main menu. This is usually found at the bottom of the screen. Step 4. View your current bill. In the billing section, you should see your current bill details. Tap on it to view a breakdown of charges and due dates. Step 5. Check for notifications. Look for any notifications regarding your bill, such as payment reminders or changes in rates. This can help you avoid late fees. Sometimes, the app may take a moment to load your bill details, so be patient if it doesn't appear immediately. I hope this helps you easily check your bill on the TIM Italy app. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.